We're gonna go deep. The wind threw me off.
The wind.
All right, put that into account.
I'm Evan Mobley.
And I'm Jalen Suggs.
If you missed episode 1, we played our version of Porsche. Check it out.
That's a C for you.
Ah, yes, sir. Ah,
Yes,
left
sir.
it short. So, what's the best team logo you think?
I think there's a block you can go with. You know, whether it's the Timberwolves, just because I always seen it growing up. The Bucks, I think, is really tough. And I like what Atlanta's doing. Who was your favorite team growing up?
People think it was like Lakers because I'm from LA, but I gotta go with like OKC. I like them a lot.
They had a tough squad.
Yeah. Little trick between the leg.
Let me see this trick.
There it is.
Okay.
Quick leg.
Okay, I see it.
Bank, wow, damn, that's crazy. Backboard saves you. Good game.
Crazy game.
We're gonna have to run that back.
I'll give you a rematch sometime soon.
Yeah.
So for you, which NBA team has the best color combination, on the hat?
That's a hard question. There's a lot of good colorways out there, but my go-to is black and white. It goes with everything, so probably like Brooklyn Nets or San Antonio, some teams like that. So the NBA draft is coming up. Are you ready?
I'm definitely ready, man. I'm excited. You've been there for my pre-draft process with me, so you can tell that we're both prepared. Really just getting ready to play with players that we've looked up to our entire life. So I'm definitely ready to hear my name called. You nervous about the draft at all?
Not really. I got my family coming. My mom, my dad, my brother, they are going to be there to support me. I can't wait for my name to be called and put on the New Era hat. So before we end, I always like to ask, what's the best advice you ever received?
The best advice that I've ever gotten is from my pops. And he told me, don't let a couple seconds, a couple minutes ruin the rest of your day. What about you?
The best piece of advice I ever received was from my family. They just taught me to be the best person you can always be. I feel like if you take that and do that, you can just be the best person and best player, best whatever you want to be. This was fun. We got to do this more often.
Definitely good times.
Shout out to the good folks at New Era. Peace.